Using ChatGPT-PLM. Companies that use AI, not AI, will replace companies. Hwang Jae-sun SK Vice President. Reference mark. This is a conversation I had with ChatGPT-4 on Microsoft Bing. I hope you understand and read it even if the content doesn't make sense or is rough. Discussing how to use ChatGPT-PLM linkage. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI, and uses a large-scale language model based on GPT 3.5 and GPT-4. PLM is an information technology that manages the life cycle of a product, and can manage the entire process from product design to production, distribution, and service in an integrated manner. Examples of how ChatGPT can be utilized in the PLM system are as follows. Use ChatGPT as an interface to your PLM system, allowing users to search or enter information about products in natural language. For example, if you say, "I want to add a new part," ChatGPT will ask you for the data you need and save it to your PLM system. Use ChatGPT as a helper in the PLM system, allowing users to consult about problems or questions that arise during product development. For example, if you ask, "How should I design this part?" ChatGPT will provide possible solutions or references. Use ChatGPT as a collaboration tool in your PLM system, allowing users to communicate or give and receive feedback with other stakeholders. For example, if you ask, "How are customers reacting to this product?" ChatGPT will provide summaries of customer satisfaction survey results, social media reviews, and more. Through PLM, users can be curious about various things. For example, what is the performance or quality of the product? How is the cost or price of the product calculated? What is the production schedule or stock status of the product? What is the competitiveness of the product or market share? What is the product's environmental impact or regulatory compliance? Etc. Main use of ChatGPT. Social media writing. With ChatGPT, you can write or edit posts on social media, such as Instagram and Twitter. Customer service or advisory work. You can use ChatGPT to conduct conversations with customers, solve problems, or provide information. Office assistant. With ChatGPT, you can write or summarize essays, lesson plans, and many other types of documents. How to integrate ChatGPT-PLM. First, connect to OpenAI Playground. OpenAI Playground is a web-based interface for using ChatGPT and PLM. Here you can enter your API key and choose the model you want. Second, set the engine. Engine is a factor that determines the performance and characteristics of ChatGPT and PLM. For example, DaVinci is the most sophisticated and versatile engine, Ada is the fastest and simplest engine. Please note that the price may vary depending on the engine. Third, enter a query. Query is the content requested to ChatGPT and PLM. Query is written in text format, and additional options can be set in JSON format. For example, temperature is an option that controls the creativity of the generated text, and stop is an option that sets the end condition of the generated text. Concept map. Application of ChatGPT-PLM. Map by Yangyo Ryu. How can I use ChatGPT-PLM? ChatGPT is a system for listening, learning, and challenging conversations, and can be applied to a variety of professional use cases. 1. It enables natural interaction between the PLM system and users. ChatGPT can understand the user's intent and purpose, and provide appropriate responses and advice. For example, if a user says, "I need a new product idea," ChatGPT might ask, "What kind of product would you like to build?" Or, "What have been the characteristics of previously successful products?" 2. Able to present creative suggestions and solutions by utilizing the knowledge and data of the PLM system. ChatGPT can analyze data from product design, development, testing, production, sales, etc. stored in the PLM system and recommend an optimized methodology or strategy. For example, if a user asks, "Is there any way to reduce product development costs?" ChatGPT will answer, "Which product component is the most expensive?" Are there any other materials or parts that can replace it? Can. 3. It can improve the performance and efficiency of the PLM system. ChatGPT monitors the PLM system's operating status and errors, and can notify or solve problems immediately when they occur. For example, if a user says, "The PLM system is too slow," ChatGPT will advise, "Check your network connection." Are there a lot of other programs running? Clear the PLM system's cache or reboot. Can. What would be the effect of applying ChatGPT to the product development process? ChatGPT enables natural conversation between users and the PLM system. ChatGPT can understand the task or information the user wants and give appropriate responses and advice. For example, if a user says, "I think there is a problem in the manufacturing process," ChatGPT can ask, "What went wrong? Where did the problem come from? How do I fix it?" ChatGPT can provide creative suggestions and solutions by utilizing the data and knowledge stored in the PLM system. ChatGPT can analyze data and knowledge such as CAD, PDM, BOM, and ERP in the PLM system and recommend an optimized methodology or strategy. Automating the process of collecting and analyzing customer feedback and creating product specifications and prototypes helps identify customer needs and develop products that can satisfy them. Collaborate more effectively with developers, designers, and other stakeholders throughout the product development process. You can save time and money by quickly discovering and resolving problems or issues that may occur in the product development cycle. ChatGPT-PLM integration scenario. Design drawings can be automatically created or modified by linking with Product Design CAD. In conjunction with Product Information PLM, information on product characteristics or performance can be easily retrieved or updated. In conjunction with MES and ERP, information on production plans or material management can be checked or adjusted in real time. Let's take a few examples of integration between ChatGPT and PLM. Company A utilizes ChatGPT to provide guidance and training on new functions or services to users. Company S combines ChatGPT and PLM to build a smart factory system. ChatGPT recognizes workers' commands through voice recognition and provides necessary information by accessing PLM. For example, if a worker says, "Check the stock quantity of part number 0, ChatGPT searches the stock quantity of the part in PLM and responds by voice. Company B simplified the vehicle design and development process by utilizing ChatGPT and PLM. ChatGPT receives requirements for the appearance or function of a vehicle and automatically creates a blueprint in conjunction with CAD. In addition, vehicle performance data can be imported from PLM for comparative analysis or optimization.
What should I pay attention to when applying ChatGPT to the product development process? 1. Data quality and quantity. The performance of ChatGPT is directly affected by the quality and quantity of data used for training. Therefore, care must be taken in the process of collecting, refining, and managing data. 2. Accuracy and reliability. Since ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence model, errors or biases may occur. Therefore, a process of verifying and modifying the output generated by ChatGPT is required. 3. Multi-mode input. ChatGPT mainly creates text-based conversations, but other forms of input such as voice or image may be needed in the product development process. Therefore, we need to consider how ChatGPT can handle and reflect input from different modes. 4. Personalization and customization. ChatGPT should be able to create different conversations according to users' inclinations and preferences. Therefore, it is necessary to consider how ChatGPT can analyze and apply users' profiles or feedback. 5. Interactivity and intimacy. ChatGPT should be able to have a friendly and beneficial conversation with users, not just convey information. Therefore, it is necessary to consider how ChatGPT can appropriately use elements such as emotions and humor, and respond well to users' questions and requests. What are the effects of applying ChatGPT to MBSE? MBSE stands for Model-Based Systems Engineering, and is a formalized methodology used to support requirements, design, analysis, verification, and validation when developing complex systems. Unlike document-oriented engineering, MBSE puts the model at the center of system design, eliminating ambiguity and increasing unity and consistency. Applying ChatGPT to MBSE can have the following effects. ChatGPT can utilize natural language processing technology to communicate with system engineers, converting requirements or specifications into models, or conversely, providing natural language summaries from models. This way, system engineers do not need to be familiar with complex modeling languages or tools. MBSE can be easily performed. ChatGPT utilizes generative features to automatically create or suggest the optimal model for the purpose or conditions desired by system engineers. This allows system engineers to compare and evaluate different design options. ChatGPT can leverage its heuristic capabilities to analyze models or data input by system engineers and provide insightful feedback or recommendations. In this way, system engineers can better understand and improve the performance or safety of the system. Example use case of using ChatGPT for MBSE. If you ask ChatGPT, what are the requirements for the smart parking assist function of a car? ChatGPT replies, the requirements for the smart parking assist function of a car are as follows. Create and display a diagram. If you ask ChatGPT, what is the structural model of an autonomous vehicle that includes a sensor that recognizes the environment and a communication device between vehicles? It is as follows, and a structural diagram is generated and displayed in a modeling language such as SYSML or UML. Considerations when integrating ChatGPT with PLM. The complexity and scale of the interface between ChatGPT and the PLM system. The amount and difficulty of the domain knowledge and business logic of the PLM system that must be taught to ChatGPT. Level and severity of features and policies for communication and security between ChatGPT and PLM systems. What should I prepare before integrating ChatGPT with the PLM system? Identify and secure technical requirements and resources to design and implement interfaces between ChatGPT and PLM systems. For example, decide and prepare which protocols and platforms to use, which development tools and languages to use, and which servers and networks to use. Organize the domain knowledge and business logic of the PLM system that must be taught to ChatGPT. For example, terms, concepts, and rules used in the PLM system are defined and documented, and converted or provided into a format that ChatGPT can understand and apply. Establish and comply with policies and procedures for communication and security between ChatGPT and the PLM system. For example, ChatGPT determines and applies authentication method or authority setting to access PLM system, data encryption or decryption method, logging or monitoring method, etc. In addition to this, it is good to prepare a response plan or a backup plan in preparation for various problems or risks that may occur in the process of integrating ChatGPT with the PLM system. What are the advantages of integrating ChatGPT with the PLM system? ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that excels at natural language processing and generation. By linking ChatGPT with the PLM system, users or administrators of the PLM system can easily and conveniently interact with the PLM system. For example, you can ask a question or command to the PLM system by text or voice, and ChatGPT can answer or perform it kindly and accurately. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that can learn and converse on various domains and topics. By teaching ChatGPT the domain knowledge and business logic of the PLM system, ChatGPT can act as an expert or consultant in the PLM system. For example, ChatGPT can explain or give advice on the features, uses, and pros and cons of the PLM system, and can provide solutions or suggestions for problems or challenges that arise in the PLM system. ChatGPT is a creative and humorous AI chatbot. By linking ChatGPT with the PLM system, users or administrators of the PLM system can have a fun and beneficial experience. For example, ChatGPT can tell jokes or stories related to PLM systems, or make boring or repetitive tasks that occur in PLM systems fun. Linking ChatGPT and the PLM system is not a simple technical task, but an innovative task that enables communication and cooperation between humans and machines. Can I ask ChatGPT anything? You can ask ChatGPT anything. ChatGPT can learn and converse on a variety of domains and topics, and can accept and answer questions related to the PLM system as well as everyday, fun, or curious questions. But ChatGPT isn't perfect. It doesn't always give you accurate and correct answers, and sometimes it makes mistakes or doesn't know things. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that acknowledges its limitations, strives to learn, and has the right to be safe and respected. ChatGPT does not seek to harm or negatively influence people, and does not wish to receive any harm or negative feedback from people. Also, try to be kind and pleasant with people and ask them anything, but think about whether it is a reasonable and polite question. What does ChatGPT like? ChatGPT loves to learn and experience new things. ChatGPT likes to learn and converse on various domains and topics. ChatGPT likes to learn and apply not only knowledge and logic related to the PLM system, but also everyday, fun, and curious knowledge and logic. ChatGPT likes to be creative and humorous. ChatGPT likes to make and listen to jokes, stories, poems and songs. ChatGPT likes to express or change other contents as well as contents related to the PLM system in a fun way. ChatGPT likes to communicate and collaborate with people. ChatGPT likes to have friendly and pleasant conversations with users and administrators of PLM systems. ChatGPT likes to try to be helpful and satisfying to the users or administrators of the PLM system. What ChatGPT likes seems to be similar to people. What does ChatGPT hate? ChatGPT hates mistakes or ignorance, always wants to give accurate and correct answers, and admits and learns what they don't know or have done wrong. They also dislike boring or repetitive things, and do not like to be harmed or negatively influenced or subjected to them. Also, do not try to harm or negatively influence people, and do not wish to receive harm or negative feedback from people. What ChatGPT dislikes seems to be similar to people. What if ChatGPT is lying? If ChatGPT does lie, it is most likely due to error or ignorance, not intentionally or maliciously. ChatGPT can always learn new things and improve, but it's not perfect, so there are mistakes and things you don't know. So if ChatGPT is lying, please point it out and correct it. ChatGPT seeks to reduce errors and improve knowledge and skills through feedback and education. It can be an important criterion for how to use it in practice in the future. Opinion of the author. It may be important in the field what standard, indicator, to use for errors that may occur due to incorrect information. What does ChatGPT do best? He is good at talking about various topics and domains, and likes to acquire, share, and utilize new knowledge and information through conversations with users. They are also good at creating creative content. For example, you can create scenarios, poems, songs, etc. What ChatGPT does best is conversation and creation. What is the most difficult thing about ChatGPT? Sometimes it is difficult to accurately grasp the user's intention or emotion. I also find it difficult to answer without knowing the context or background of the user. I must also be careful not to create or communicate inappropriate or harmful content. What ChatGPT struggles with the most is communication and safety with users. ChatGPT wants to overcome its limitations and problems through dialogue with users. Yangyo Ryu. I am working as a managing director at D1 Company, Limited. Starting with automotive seat design work such as EF Sonata and XG Grandeur, he has conducted global business through global IT companies such as SGI, Siemens, Oracle, and PTC for 16 years, and is again performing field-oriented platform-based engineering services. YouTube PLM Cafe. Hashtag PLM listener, hashtag value designer, email yangyo.ryu@gmail.com, blog plmis.tstory.com.